Weregi mago mag Supreme Court ni koro ten county ma Migori oketo kenge mag budget Masanja mondo koro tenre anena kod manifesto mar governor koloso e kinde romo mar loso budget Masanja. Jagoro mar county Christopher Rusana wacho ni koro telo manyien geto mar biro yudo suru mathoth medogo pesa ne county kaachiel kedo to kod mibadhi ka tije bendo bed mathoth ne jo Migori. E kinde campaign governor mano Dr. Chilo Mbogayako yande no osengo ni kata bende wach mar osuru mar japiko ni biro gole siling 100 nyaka siling 50. Od bura ma Migori yande no oseketo budget Masanja nogono mar bilion 8.3 e konyo chulo godo gope kaachiel kod chenro mamoko.
To digitize revenue collection system, yes. Plus we are also going to increase and improve on supervision of staff who are collecting revenue. We are going to seal all loopholes and ensure that pilferages in revenue that is reducing our capacity to deliver services, we will have to address it by supervision and digitalization of revenue collection. The county has embarked on making a supplementary budget, so coming soon after the governor has taken over the work of governorship of this county. And as you have rightly put it, he has a manifesto, he has a covenant between him and the people of Migori, which he wants to implement. So the realigning of the budget to that manifesto is his priority number one. One of the issues, I'll not mention all of them, is that he promised the border people in Migori County a reduction of the rates that the county is charging them from Kenya shillings 100 to 50 shillings per week. That has to be included and captured in the budget, and is one of the reasons why we are making the budget. He also promised the small and medium scale traders a revolving fund from which they would be able to access funding to expand and nourish their businesses. That too is being taken care of by the budget. Plus, looking at all the sectors to conform with the manifesto and the vision that they carry for Migori County.